We work on issues from ranging from a production line being completely down, which we would consider an emergency, to just an end user having an issue with their workstation. The important thing is that my team communicates our efforts to your organization and your employees having issues, so that we can quickly get you back up and running and continue maintaining a healthy relationship, moving forward. I think one of the greatest challenges to overcome supporting the manufacturing environments is it's not enough to support the solution. You have to take the time to understand how to support the solution. I've always found that context is king, which is why, as a team that supports manufacturing companies early in that support relationship, we try to collect information such as are there challenges getting support from your vendors? Are there any white papers specifically on how to support an outage should this piece of software or this hardware go down? Um, Defining where any support challenges lie, whether it's out of warranty equipment, whether it's buggy software, whether it's software that can't be updated, just understanding the myriad of challenges that present in the production environment early in the relationship, and then defining a matrix to overcome those challenges is really important. Often the equipment that is running in the manufacturing floor is, I don't want to say antiquated, but older and can't receive updates, simply because the software solution that runs, say, a robotic or a glass cutter can't take an update, without it creating challenges with that equipment functioning. So you're kind of in a situation where you've got equipment that has to operate, but it's unable to take current patches, updates, which does create potential security challenges. Some of the equipment is older and, from a hardware perspective, and is more prone to break. So having a backup plan. What if the robotics arm on the production floor goes down? Understanding how you would overcome that in a timely manner to get the line back up is another challenge. Um, and that would be the top two things I would say I see as far as challenges in the manufacturing business vertical as it relates to IT.